that? There's the toilet in the trash. We're putting the composting toilet in. All right, more to come. So here we are driving over to where we store the RV. Today we're putting in a composting toilet so we can increase our capacity of gray water. So you can use the black tank and the gray tank together and it doubles your capacity. So that is used for when you are off grid. That means boondocking. So you do this in a lot of the federal parks. And join us and see how it is installed. Ripped out the toilet. Had to go camping to clean it out because it was full of, you know what, up to the brim there. So we put a towel in there after we went to the campground and flushed it out. So we're hoping to put in the exhaust through that wall there. And under there is all the stuff. So we're trying to figure out where to put the hole for the exhaust for the composting toilet. All right, so there's the composting toilet. All right, see you in a bit. So the hole is in. I do believe it goes through here. Look at that.
Oh, that ain't gonna fit, is it? Where's that trim?
We're measuring this because they had rug there.
By 2.
And we're going to make something different behind the toilet, which I don't like that, neither does Dave, because it's carpet.
Huh?
I cleaned it a little bit. It came out really nice. Okay, so we're going to make a base out of this flooring that we used in our house. Okay. Look at that. That looks good. That board's not going nowhere. There's the walls. We painted the walls. Ooh, it's got the water clamped off. Look at that. Look at that contractor we hired. He's awesome. Right, this is what we're working on. The hoe. See that? That looks awesome. Right there. So here's the exhaust. We have a pipe that comes out and then netting on it so no creatures go up there. All right, I'll show you the inside. That's the cover. So it's all done. Drum roll. There she is. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit how this toilet works. I was asked. So in the front is a little area where your number 1 goes down into a container. And then when you have to do number 2, you open up this level, and down on the bottom will be peat moss, and you do your business. We don't have anything in it right now because we're not camping. Then you close it, and then over here is the turn, and you turn it, and it makes it into compost. So since your waste is separated, it's not toxic. When you blend them together, that's what makes it toxic. So, then when this fills up, you just dump it out into a toilet, or if you're in the nature, you can dump it out in the woods. And the bottom of the toilet comes up, and here it unlocks right there. And you just take the composting toilet off by unscrewing it there, and go outside and you dump it into a trash can and just throw it away. Just like kitty litter. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a subscribe button down to the right. If you click it, we greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye. So this is Tanner. Tanner, say hi.
Tanner, say hi to Mommy.
On this foot here, he has 7 toes. And this foot here, he has 6.